Well, hi friends, hope everybody's well. I'm out here late in the evening walking the Heritage High School Soft Trail. And this is a video that I've been wanting to make for some time, but if I'm being perfectly honest, I've been a little hesitant to make this video. Since beginning this project of restoring this trail, I have kind of dreamed about, what the final video might look like. A whole mission accomplished video full of smiles and champagne and toasts and things like that. But I've realized recently that I just don't know that that video is going to be possible in the way that I want it, for two reasons really. First, I'm kind of a perfectionist, and so I don't really know that I will ever be 100% satisfied with the condition of this trail. This trail, after all, is a living organism. It's a forest with plants, grass, limbs, vines, all types of flora and fauna. It will continue to need constant supervision and maintaining, most likely on a weekly basis. But I've been doing a lot of thinking lately, and I think I just need to redefine what I consider to be mission accomplished. I really needed to go back to my mission when I was thinking about restoring this trail, and that was simply to make this trail accessible from end to end again. And the truth is, that mission has been accomplished. You can now walk from one end all the way to the other end. And so yes, for the time being, I am considering this a mission accomplished, but with the knowledge that this is a never-ending process. It will always need maintaining. So as this video plays out, I'm just going to show you some clips of some work that I've been doing over the past few weeks, and I will definitely keep you guys updated if and when any major updates or changes occur to the trail. I want to thank you all so much for taking the time out of your day to watch these videos and for the support that I've received on the Heritage High School Trail restoration. Again, thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one.